Section 42 of CRPC. Arrest on refusal to give name and residence. Point 1. When any person who, in the presence of a police officer, has committed or has been accused of committing a non-cognizable offense, refuses, on demand of such officer, to give his name and residence, or gives a name or residence which such officer has reason to believe to be false, he may be arrested by such officer in order that his name or residence may be ascertained. Point 2. When the true name and residence of such person has been ascertained, he shall be released on his executing a bond, with or without sureties, to appear before a magistrate if so required, provided that if such person is not resident in India, the bond shall be secured by a surety or sureties resident in India. Point 3. Should the true name and residence of such person not be ascertained within 24 hours from the time of arrest, or should he fail to execute the bond, or if so required to furnish sufficient sureties, he shall forthwith be forwarded to the nearest magistrate having jurisdiction. Section 43 of CRPC says that arrest by private person and procedure on such arrest. Point 1. Any person may arrest or cause to be arrested any person who in his presence commits a non-bailable and cognizable offense, or any proclaimed offender, and without unnecessary delay shall make over or cause to be made over any person so arrested to a police officer, or in the absence of a police officer take such person or cause him to be taken in custody to the nearest police station. Point 2. If there is reason to believe that such person comes under the provisions of Section 41, a police officer shall re-arrest him. Point 3. If there is reason to believe that he has committed a non-cognizable offense, and he refuses on the demand of a police officer to give his name and residence, or gives a name or residence which such officer has reason to believe to be false, he shall be dealt with under the provisions of Section 42. But if there is no sufficient reason to believe that he has committed any offense, he shall be at once released.